show a secret. Let's get up here. There's a secret in the toilet in the bank. It's rocking, Maddie. Today, I'm gonna play Roblox with my first friend to play. This girl, Davito. Sorry. Gincom beer.
What's on your hair? What is this? Ati,
What?
you'll get blind. Sige ka, for me ka na lang nagsisinelphone. Ati!
Oh.
Siti ate, jadi tiya sa doon. Kung gano'n, yayak lang ko pa iyo. Ayun, siti.
Let's be friends.
Hindi ka nagitbe. Goodbye.
What? Diva?
Oh! Buutan ito naman, kuya, no? Kini. Dapat. Yun. Kayak na naman po kayo. Para kung ano pinili ko nila.
Yung SpongeBob. Mimi, kita daw yung
Mimi?
SpongeBob.
Di wiyak ko, Mimi.
Sorry, mami. May SpongeBob na vlogs. Oh, hindi ka man napakita na mo.
My goodness.
Wala mo nito sugod. Today. Aray. Today, I'm gonna show you how to play Roblox. It's lagging. Agi. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you.
Ate, you're not hungry. Do you want to eat rice?
I don't know. I want mama.
You want mama?
Yeah.
Why? Is your mama make you your stomach full?
I don't eat.
Laughing.
I don't eat my mama.
Ah. No, kuya.
Titi. No, wala nga ni kay. Okay, kay. Now we're at the room. Wait a second. Yes.
Namimiss ko na ang baby Isha.
Adi man, baby.
Baby Isha.
Adi man. Masigi ka, amo kita ito. Kita, masigi kita, amo ito yung itsura. Kita.
Akong kuya, baby Bodoy. Mimis kong gihap. Tambuki koy.
Nakatulungan.
Pagkadurog na. Sus, ito na kuya.
Tulo ka, nagtiti ka batat naman ni kuya. Kita ala.
Ulit ako ulo paghangag. Kumita na.
Man kita takabot ang normal girl.
Nabukog ako. Sura nga bulag. Nakadidikit. Lagi kinanin ko. Nabubukol ko lang rice. Tapos natutulang ko. Tapos nagkaon din pag yung banana. Bukol na para maslide hiyang din. Bukog matanggal. Pero masakit. Natanggal niya pero masakit.
Oh, daw, mapa-adopt. Pag-TA tayo, bro. Guys, maliit na tayo. Dito lang muna tayo sa adoption center.
What is adoption son?
May ba mga adapain mo? Oh,
Ano ito? Adopt?
adopt.
Ano ito?
Ano ba? Dire. Sugad. Sugad yung bayan kalanin imo ama tapos may nag-adopt bahay mo.
Okay. Mga nito adopt. Adoption.
Adoption center.
Maram ka nang basya. Maram nang basya.
Kita.
Are they asking how old are you when you're playing in there? Are they asking how old are you? How old are you, ate?
6.
6 ka na? Goodness.
Di ba dakod-dakuan man ako dito dani niya ta ewan na kaya kan.
You're 6
10.
already?
Iya.
Really?
Po.
Time flies so fast. Yesterday you were so little.
My birthday is January.
Yes.
That's why it's fast.
Talaga?
Ay! Awin, wakam na ako. Muna din ang kita.
January is fast, really?
Yeah. After December, after Christmas, I will be...
You will turn 7 already? You will turn 7?
Maybe. I will wait. Look.
I don't want you to get sick.
Bye guys. So that's how to play the blocks. Okay, bye.